welcome to the Nazar and Yasser show. I am Nazar, this is Yasser, this is our show, and we have nothing to talk about today.
नहीं तो आपने शुरू कर दिया without even
What?
thinking कि करना क्या है.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. It's one
Okay.
of those where we have nothing on the agenda, but everything is on the agenda. We can talk about literally everything.
मैंने इस हफ्ते कुछ भी नहीं देखा. As in nothing that.
Let's talk about your week. How was your week? Let's go that way.
How's my week? Like any other week. Routine. Job. Come back. Chill. Family.
Again.
And then that's it. World Cup. World Cup अभी भी चल रहा है तो.
Are you as invested as you were in the beginning?
Absolutely.
Really?
More so.
Why
And
is
even the kids in Aruj are more invested right now.
The kids.
Because they know that every match is now knockout match, na? उससे पहले they didn't understand. Obviously, they didn't understand group setting क्या होता है, groups में जब play होता है, point system, वो सारा कुछ अभी उन्होंने सीखना है. But the knockout stuff they've understood, so that's why they're more invested. And school में भी उनको कुछ introductory knowledge दे दी गई थी, in the sense of who the big players are. Like Mikhail knows about Ronaldo and Messi and big teams. So he's always supporting he's like, Baba, which one's the big team? I'll support that team. And I'll always support the underdog. So now he's understanding what the meaning of underdog is. तो वो school में क्या करता है? वो school में भी उन्होंने football शुरू कर लिया ना, खेलना. So then he's like, Baba, our team is always the underdog. Which basically means they always lose. We only score 1 or 2 points. I'm like, hey, that's not points, it's goals.
So for me, I'm more like locked into the weird discourse about FIFA, which is around like, oh, this World Cup is rigged in favor of Argentina.
Yes.
It gives me very much like India vibes in ICC tournaments. Like,
Yes.
oh, ये तो वैसे ही इंडिया के लिए है, और ये like इसको इधर खेलना है तो.
वो मैंने देखा था आपने वो उस पे मिस्टर पाकी की वीडियो पे भी आपने किया था.
वो तो अच्छी एग्जांपल दे रहा था ना.
Yes, that's a good example.
It was more example about like how, you know, the Indian Cricket Board rules this game and sort of bosses everybody around, and that's the same thing that's happening in the US with like players not getting visas, and जो Iran के साथ हुआ, जो उनकी टीम के साथ जो उन्होंने basically किया, was all of that stuff, which I was resonating towards. But then like there's the Argentina of it all, which is like, I don't know if you saw last night's game.
Yes, I
which
did.
Was the red card again. It makes no sense. I know
it made sense, but
was it a yellow card offense?
It is a yellow card offense.
If you're faking it, it's a yellow card offense.
Yes.
If that's the actual rule.
If you faked it to this extent where the other person is getting carded, and then later on with the पहले ये होता था कि there was no review ना, so he would get away with it, and then it would become an after match talking debate, point, and it would be a press conference, and at the press conference they would ask about that type of stuff, and maybe coaches would get involved and they would complain about the referee, and then obviously the Argentinian coach would definitely go against that ref if it had happened as it was going to happen. But because of VAR now they can review it, तो फिर अब उल्टा कर दिया. And it like वही ना, उसको करने की जरूरत क्या थी यार ये? They were playing so good. Switzerland were playing good.
And they had just gotten momentum, and he was already on yellow.
Yes.
So it doesn't make sense why he would do that.
Exactly.
And yet here we are.
Yes. And I feel bad for the guy because obviously I don't know if his heart was in the right place or not, but because of the emotion he showed later, you know that he's going to get crazy hate. Well, from his own nationality.
Do Swiss people, are they capable of hate? Aren't they like neutral and shit?
Yes, in the global sense of the way, but internally तो मतलब कि हर European society के अंदर extreme racists तो हैं ना, जो कि are gonna see that he's
have you been to Switzerland?
A person of color.
Have you ever been to Switzerland?
We've done like a road trip. We've driven through Switzerland a couple of times.
Is it as beautiful as they say it is?
Why? Yeah. Of course, obviously.
I'm just asking.
You're asking such an obvious, like, is it as beautiful as they say it is? The entire world says that it's beautiful. So then you're asking me, is it actually beautiful?
मुझे बात बताएं, आपने North Pakistan की trip मारी है कभी?
Is it actually as beautiful? Yes, it is. Hunza is also very beautiful.
What's more beautiful?
No, I can't compare.
क्यों नहीं?
How can you compare? Because one has like actual infrastructure all laid down to perfection.
और एक untapped है.
And it's like anywhere you take a photo, it's gonna be like wow. And then Hunza ka hai raw natural beauty.
Untapped is the word.
Untapped.
KPK government uses.
Untapped. Good. So raw, untapped, natural beauty. एक है और एक जो है ना. So it's basically Pakistan is the woman without any plastic surgery, and Switzerland has been,
Full
you know,
Botox.
as we said last week also, Maryam Nawaz वहां पे जाके क्या करवा रही होती है,
Yeah.
थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन का
जी
अपना
जी जी
फिक्सचर, और वो सारा कुछ जो है ना, वो सारा कुछ चल रहा होता है. But Switzerland is that basically. It's
Hmm.
all beauty that has been facelifted.
Okay, I get it because I was watching a documentary on. This is how bored and bothered I am. I was watching a documentary a few months ago on the Canadian Alps, so the Banff area, the Canadian Rockies, basically,
ठीक है.
and how in the 1900s, early 1900s, the Swiss came to Alberta और उन्होंने पूरा जो Banff की जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है वो स्विट्जरलैंड और स्विस लोगों ने आके ले डाउन किया था.
स्विसीज ने किए यहाँ पे
Gee,
काम.
so when you go there,
Wow.
there's a lot of the chairlifts. Chairlift is a very Swiss invention, anyways.
Okay.
A lot of the stuff that you see there, people are like, this feels very much like Switzerland. And it's
Okay.
because the hotels, the way that the roads go up, the winding road, everything is laid down. The infrastructure of tourism there is laid down by the Swiss in the 1900s.
Interesting.
So that's, I haven't been to neither of those places, but I have been to Naran Valley. और मैंने दरिया के ऊपर बैठ के कढ़ाई खाई है. ये किया आपने वहाँ पे स्विट्जरलैंड में? बताया मुझे आप.
दरियो के ऊपर बैठ के
कढ़ाई खाई है
नहीं,
आपने?
मैं स्विट्जरलैंड से सिर्फ गुजर रहा था
गुजर
यार.
रहे थे,
मैंने
अच्छा.
वहां से कुछ भी नहीं किया. मैंने हाँ रेस्टोरेंट में बैठ के खाना खाया है फैमिली
दरिया
के
था
साथ.
नीचे? बात देखें
नहीं,
ना. आप मुझे
क्योंकि
बताएं.
दरिया के करीब ही नहीं हम गए वहां पे. ना तो हमने कोई स्कीइंग की वहां पे. तो इफ यू गो टू स्विट्जरलैंड एंड यू गो टू द माउंटेन्स, यू ऑब्वियसली शुड बी स्कीइंग. I've been skiing Vancouver once.
अच्छा ये ना,
couple
this
of
is something I
times.
really like about you, Asif. You extreme sports में जो है ना आप बहुत आगे. Skiing, skiing, मतलब
I've done
talk about that.
No, because it just depends on. See, whilst living in Vancouver, at school, I had taken this course that was a very random course. It was called Leadership Level 12, like grade 12 mein.
Leadership,
I
I've
took
taken that
a course called Leadership.
I've taken that
What did
course.
you guys do in Leadership?
In leadership, we talked about like CEOs. I remember doing a case study
No,
on
you're
Elon
talking
Musk.
about business leadership. We didn't do
Maybe
any
it
of
was
that
business
stuff.
leadership, actually, yeah.
We did like leadership का क्या मतलब था कि actual practical outdoor things in which you are exercising people to people communication, coordination, collaboration, leadership, all of that stuff. So that included we did things like rock climbing, camping, snow के अंदर we did camping, like dig a hole inside a
Igloo.
snow.
Igloo
In a
type.
certain sense, yes, like a makeshift igloo. If you are stuck in the middle of the snow, if you're trekking and you're stuck in the middle of the snow, survival skill kya hai? How do you dig yourself a small little resting spot in which you can slide your sleeping bag and still be able to spend the night? And if you need to pee in the middle of the night, how you have to literally pop out of your sleeping bag and just susu on the one side, and then you have to watch out for any yellow spots the next morning, because people, we were like 7-8 students together, na, and so we all were sleeping over there, so we had to watch for each other's pee spots.
Yeah, what if someone is super hydrated and uski pee is clear? This is a genuine question I have.
Yeah, I don't know. then you might be fooled. I don't know. Maybe because you are at that location, maybe you're not hydrating as well as you should be.
Fair enough, yeah.
Plus you're moving around a lot. So maybe everybody's pee is yellow enough that guzara ho jayega.
Yeah.
So the leadership course, also we did kayaking. We did skiing, so I've already mentioned, but we did all these outdoor adventure, sort of utilizing जहाँ पे हम थे ना, वैंकूवर की यही सारी खास चीजें थी. तो इन्हीं को we basically indulged in all of these things.
I think I did one of those things way back when I was in Karachi. तो हमारे जो PIA Cricket Academy में हिंदुस्तान जौहर, they had a scouts
कौन सी academy?
PIA Cricket Academy.
PIA Cricket Academy, ठीक है. हाँ.
There was the PIA की अपनी ही cricket.
अच्छा,
academy.
PIA की.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did I speak too fast? PIA, yeah.
हाँ.
Pakistan International Airlines.
Okay.
जो अब private हो गई है.
हाँ.
उसकी अपनी
So
cricket.
they had an academy for
cricket.
Cricket, हाँ.
Yeah, because they're a big department team. Like
yes.
Wasim Akram used to play
Yeah,
with
I
them,
know.
Yasir Hamid, all these guys. So one of the big things, because we used to live in the States, and our dad, we didn't want to leave the States. So our dad was like, and we were obsessed with cricket, which is all, again, a lot of these ideas are like, how did this happen? But it was true. And my dad was like, you will not believe it. Where we live in Karachi, there's an academy 10 minutes walk पे. You will love it. So we went to Karachi and it was actually a 10-15 minute walk. So वहाँ पे, so if you were in the scouts program of the PIA Cricket Academy, you had your monthly fees got reduced for some reason. So
subsidized,
I guess. So if you're on a program that basically allowed you to basically spend more time in the academy, but your fees would be less, which was a weird thing. But इसमें ये था कि महीने में एक दिन आपको जो है after the 9 to 12 cricket session, 12:30 to 3 आपका scout session होगा. So we learned how to tie ropes and all that
Okay.
stuff. तो वहाँ से we went to Go Ash. You remember Go Ash in Karachi?
Sounds familiar.
Go Ash had like rock climbing and stuff. So we went there and did rock
Okay,
climbing
ठीक है.
and learned how to like tie an 8 knot and
हाँ.
all that stuff. Obviously, it was in Karachi, so there was no snow peeing situation.
हाँ.
But it was like, how do you, conservate your energy and how do you
वही survival skills.
survival skills? So I
Hmm.
remember doing that for a year,
Hmm.
and they also took us to like everybody does this, but like WWF did this as well. But they took us to like plant mangroves and how to sustain energy and like kahan se pani nikalna hai and like all that stuff. So we
That's
did a
interesting.
lot of that in Karachi.
हाँ.
And I don't know if they have those programs anymore.
I'm sure somebody or another has something.
But it was a lot of like, for me at that time
So,
as a young man, it was
These
a
types
lot
of things need to be found, is the
Yeah.
point. People do, I would imagine people do still undertake them,
Yeah.
but it just needs to be.
मेरे अब्बा का तो ये था कि पैसे बच रहे हैं. Like they
हाँ.
have 2 kids in the cricket academy. Like आज 1,000 रुपए का बिल जा रहा है, अब
हाँ.
700 रुपए का जाएगा. So I was
हाँ.
like fine. And but we did a lot. They took us camping once as well. It was a lot of fun, and I
Yeah.
learned a lot about being uncomfortable and being comfortable in the uncomfortable, which then helped me in like cricket in the future or padhai or like whenever I was doing something. When we started this podcast, I was like, before this podcast at the backward point one, it was like such an uncomfortable feeling. Like you're going to be on camera and you're going to be talking about cricket. You know nothing about it. You've played it a little bit here and there, but like people are going to judge you and this and that. And we just like were never, all those comments never penetrated us because we were so thick-skinned and like, "Ye karna hai. That's it. Chalega to chalega, nahi chalega to nahi chalega."
Right.
And now, like, it's crazy. We just recorded our 300th episode on Backward Point.
MashaAllah.
And we've done, 10 of these or 9 of these, which is like crazy. Like the fact that you're able to do that from like that one life skill you learned when you were 14, it's crazy. It moves insanely. We don't have any topics to talk about today, but there is a few things that I did want to talk about. I am deep into the our Lord Savior Christopher Nolan verse.
Good. I
Right?
like that topic. Yes.
And like so, firstly, one of my favorite podcasts, I think I've mentioned this when we were like brainstorming our podcast. Kis tarike se karna hai, kya karna hai. I kept mentioning to you the Ringer, man, this network, they do this amazing stuff here, and all these people have their own distinct this and that and the other. Sidebar ye tha ki The Big Picture, which is my favorite podcast of all time, had a live show in Toronto last week, and I could not get tickets, and it got sold out. And they were doing a live drafting of Christopher Nolan movies with like some of the big journalists of Canada, including the 2 main people from The Big Picture. And I was like, I'm just gonna cry. I'm just gonna sit here and
No,
weep.
so they had an event where
At the TIFF box.
where fans were all
Yeah, it was a ticketed
invited.
podcast. Yeah, it was a live
How
podcast.
did you not get a ticket?
It was sold out. It sold out in 1 minute.
इतनी बड़ी fandom है.
It's the biggest podcast. Yeah, it's like they're always in the top 100 podcasts of the world.
Okay.
So yeah, it sold out in 1 minute. I went to the TIFF
You
website.
couldn't get anything in the scalp or in the black market. Or
It's such a weird thing, right?
StubHub, yeah. TickPick, yeah.
Availability nahi tha. They're so big
TIFF
that
box
it's sold out in like a minute, but they're not big enough for resales. You know, they're that weird spot.
टिप फेस्टिवल के बाहर ही खड़े हो जाते हैं और कहते हैं यार ब्लैक
Man.
ब्लैक ब्लैक.
So they did a Christopher Nolan draft, and that podcast will come out on the podcast stuff. But I wasn't there in person. But then the next night they did a screening of Tenet, and then they talked about the movie like for an hour. Which again, I was not invited to, and it was sold out. So
Have
main
you
bola
watched
tha.
the Tenet properly?
So this is what I'm coming to. So
Because
right now,
I
me and
still
Simran-
haven't
Me
properly.
and Simran are doing a deep dive in Nolan movies that we haven't seen. Okay, so if we've already seen both of us, like we've all seen the Dark Knight trilogy, we've all seen Interstellar. Busai, jo main movies.
Seen
hai na,
everything except Tenet properly.
that's
Everything.
we are now. Tonight we're watching The Prestige,
हाँ.
and then tomorrow night or the night after that we're gonna watch Tenet,
Hmm.
and then we're gonna go into the Odyssey on Thursday. We have tickets at 3 p.m. for the IMAX.
Oh, look at us. We have tickets already. Is it in the IMAX?
It's in the IMAX, but not
Is
70
it not
mm.
70
No,
mm?
unfortunately, this is where I lose people.
Look at me. I'm going to the Odyssey showing
You
already.
are gonna watch it this weekend, are you not? Please.
No,
tell
I'm
me
not
that.
going to watch it this weekend.
Kyun?
It's not going to be possible. It's all sold out
Join
already.
us. Join us.
No, I can't. This weekend, you know what I'm going to go? No, not this weekend. This Tuesday.
Yeah.
Cinema Tuesday.
Yeah,
You know what I'm going to go and watch? Moana. because Sophia wants to watch Moana.
But I've heard it's a frame to frame copy. Frame to frame.
Do you think she cares? Do you think that it matters at all?
I want to ask you this.
Yes.
What is the right age
Hmm.
to introduce Mikhail, to movies? Right now he's
Like
into like
cinema movies or
like Pixar
or
movies. Disney
are you
movies.
talking about like just at home even full
घर पे,
length
घर
feature
पे, yeah.
features?
Because I don't think cinema में जाके I feel like he's gonna get scared.
हाँ नहीं उसमें उस लिहाज से तो it's
He's
like
2.5.
he's 2.5.
He likes like Daniel Tiger and Bluey and all that stuff.
Yeah.
But usme, I don't like me and Simran were watching him watch this stuff, and I'm like, I don't think he understands what's going on. But then randomly he'll say something about the show that happened. I'm like, oh, maybe he'll understand.
No, he's not gonna understand till maybe around 3ish. Then he'll start to pick up on story elements or
Story.
character elements, little moments here and there. I think 4ish pe hota hai, and then 5ish a little bit more. They can follow
I
a
distinctly
story.
remember going to the theater at 5 and enjoy. I think I saw Shrek, the first one, when I was 5 in the theaters. The first Shrek, 2001 ki baat hai.
First Shrek?
Yeah.
You were 5?
I was 5. 96. Ki badai.
No.
Yeah.
When did it come out? Oh,
Came out in the
2001
summer
you're
of
saying.
2001, yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Anyways, point ये है कि feature film अभी if he's watching short stuff, he's gonna continue doing that.
Yeah.
And until you don't see that he's understanding a story or he's not talking to you about the story, there's no point in taking him for any kind of a movie or showing him any movie. Even when you start movies, then you're gonna probably start by watching half a movie first. This is what we started doing now with Mikhail and Sophia. It was like, okay, today we watch 45 minutes of this movie, and then tomorrow we'll continue it and watch it in 2 halves.
So they understood that ये एक movie है जिसमें split की हुई है. We were watching Toy Story because we were doing again the Toy Story marathon when Toy Story 5 came out. And we watched Toy Story 1, I think. उसमें वो scene है ना, वो गिरता है, he's trying to fly, but I don't know if you've seen Toy Story.
Of course I have.
Yeah, so he's flying,
Yes.
then he falls.
Yes.
Remember?
Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah, so he was watching this with us, and he got stressed out. He's like, Buzz गिर गया. Buzz गिर गया. मैं कहा, वो ठीक है. Because उसका हाथ वगैरह भी टूट
Wait,
जाता है.
this is
So
another
he's
thing.
getting it,
That's
but
going to take time for him to understand that what are movies? What is
Okay.
make belief also?
Yeah.
That it's not real. That's something that you must stress on him to understand that none of this is real. This is still a movie. This is still a story.
Yeah.
These are actors or characters or whatever you want, however you want to explain it, but they do need to understand that so that even if when they see something that is quote unquote not safe or dangerous, they understand that it's done for the movie. It's not like you shouldn't mimic or you should not copy any of those types of actions or
Yeah, I totally agree with that.
whatever.
Because he will do some, when you were teaching him to,
they like to mimic, they like to copy.
and it works when it's like in your favor. So when you were trying to teach him potty training, so he would tell us, "Oh, I'm doing potty just like Daniel Tiger." I'm like, "Great."
Yeah.
But then now
I remember that episode, Daniel Tiger
Yeah.
mein bhi jo hota, yes.
when Buzz is flying off the stairs, I don't want him to do that, you know. So it's like one of those fine lines. So, anyways, then like obviously big Nolan head, you and I both are, and I got really deep into like the
I
press.
wouldn't consider myself a big Nolan head. But
You've seen every one of his
I've pretty
films.
much seen every one of his movies except for Tenet properly, and I do enjoy all of his movies.
So are you gonna revisit Tenet this week? For next
Tenet?
week? Yeah.
No,
Or
I'm not
the-
gonna revisit yet. I don't know if I'm in that. I need to
Space?
get into that headspace to tackle Tenet.
I'm there. I'm there
Okay,
right now.
good.
I think me and Simran are both like ready to be like, okay, we will probably not understand this.
I'm
in
just
2.5
looking forward
hours.
to seeing the Odyssey and seeing what exactly.
So, Odyssey ke chakkar mein, because I'm trying to find a way to get back into like making content about like my books and reading and all that, and I haven't properly read it in a while.
Odyssey किसने लिखी थी?
Homer ne likhi thi na.
Homer ने लिखी थी.
Yeah, like 2,700 years ago, like before the Bible, before the Quran. It's like a really, really old story, right? What? You didn't know that?
I didn't know it
It's
was
one of
that
the
old.
oldest. It's the oldest. Yeah, it's the oldest Western civilization story. It basically laid the groundwork of modern storytelling. Because it has
Before the Bible?
It is before the Bible. You can look it up.
I don't need to. You're telling me.
I'm telling
I'm
you.
listening to you.
Yeah, it's before the Bible. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Bible क्या 2026 चल रहा है. हाँ, तो it's before the Bible.
Bible तो didn't come out at year 0 ना.
नहीं मतलब
Year 0 में
उसके
तो
बाद ही आएगी ना. तब भी
Jesus was.
तब भी Bible happened like a few hundred years after him. तब भी it's like
50
older
years
than the
after
Bible.
his death, I think
Yeah.
was this
The
first.
first gospel, I believe.
No, they're working on a draft or something.
Okay, yeah.
They'll send it out to their editor.
The editors, yeah.
The notes would come back.
ChatGPT बोलेगा,
There
"यार,
would be a
इसमें-"
lot of back and forth.
Yeah. There was so that the Odyssey is written or was in oral telling way before that, and then it was first penned down in 2700 years ago,
ठीक है
700 BC or something.
ठीक है
And then उसके बाद से it's been like oral tradition भी रह चुका है, written tradition भी रह चुका है उसका. And yeah, so now this is actually one of the first time it's being presented in this large of a scale, like $250 million budget, etc., etc.
See, I like to see. I'm not going to do any of this research yet.
This is like all in like the press stuff that I was
I
listening.
understand, but I'm not even going to do that. See, what I do whenever I want to, जब मैंने अपना ज़ेन बना लिया ना यार ये मूवी तो मैंने देखनी ही देखनी है, ठीक है ना? जो कि if Nolan has announced a movie, it's not like I need to check up. Okay, am I going to watch it? What is the movie about? And I don't get into any of that stuff. हाँ, मैं ट्रेलर एक बार देखता हूँ and that's it.
Yeah.
Never. I don't watch trailers again and again just to see इधर क्या हो रहा है, उधर क्या हो रहा है. I'm not such a big वो उस जैसा कि I need to know everything before I go into any movie because I like to go in without knowing anything.
Yeah.
The less I know, the better that experience will be. So if I see the trailer once, great. Then I know that I want to watch that movie. Same thing I do with all Paul Thomas Anderson movies also. या Spike Jonze movies, या Tarantino movies, जितने भी सारे इस तरह के जो directors that I've been following, I watch their trailer once. After the movie, I do that entire deep dive, and I do all my ये इस तरह क्या all the things that I do after the movie. And this is a classic example of this is when I randomly, accidentally went into the cinema with a friend of mine to watch The Prestige. Coincidentally. I went into The Prestige not even knowing that Christopher Nolan had made any movie like that. I didn't know he was directing it. I didn't know it was his movie.
But
I didn't know who was in it.
But you walked into
into it because my friend said, let's go watch this new movie that's come out.
About magic.
Called Prestige. I heard it's good. I said, okay, let's go. We got the tickets. And I was like, he just made, I think he had just made at that time Batman Begins भी. और उससे पहले I had seen the Robin Williams and Insomnia भी. I think that was this sort of उसके दरमियान में he made Prestige.
Yeah.
And I was like, यार, how? Like, and it was
crazy.
Such an, like, I felt like it was such an underrated movie when it had come out. Now it's obviously also considered one of the greats.
I think it's, I was actually listening to a lot of podcasts about like what are the great Nolan movies, and apparently, and I was thinking about this as well. The Dark Knight Rises has not aged well. People are like, it's not.
I still enjoy. I
love it too, but there are definitely flaws in it.
There are minor flaws, but
has aged really well.
Yeah,
The Prestige is like probably his best.
Because again, the Dark Knight still is. There's so much that Nolan can do with superhero world ke ek movie, but you know that he probably doesn't have 100% control like the way he would have with his other projects, you know.
I also think with like Heath Ledger's passing, I think his entire script of The Dark Knight Rises got blown up. Like he had no idea what to do after that. He had to rewrite everything.
Maybe
because I remember
was so crazy, yaar.
Because
Tom
I remember
Hardy
the third act of that movie, as I remember reading about it somewhere, was Dark Knight Rises ka third act was supposed to be that Joker was supposed to be in jail in Arkham. And he lets everybody out. And that third act jo phadda hota hai basically, it's like Bane and then Joker's minions.
Nice.
And then Batman.
Nice.
Just like the whole chaos, everything is together. So obviously that was not the case. But
did you ever watch the campy 1960s Batman show?
I've seen clips
with Adam West.
I've seen clips here and there. It's not my thing.
I grew up watching that also.
And so how do you grow up watching the Adam West Batman and then go into Dark Knight and be like, this is insane?
No, but in between there's also other things. There's the Tim Burton Batmans and all the other Batmans.
The Schumacher
so you
ones.
go through that. But I did grow up watching because it used to play on Star World. So हमारे पास Star World था, so I used to watch that. And the crash, bam, boom, fight scenes was a lot of fun.
So in terms of...
And that's actually how I feel about, coincidentally, that's how I actually felt about the He-Man movie. Okay? The He-Man... cartoon show, the original cartoon show was very campy, was very much similar to the Batman TV show.
Yeah.
So when it was getting its feature film treatment, it's like they couldn't decide if they want to go campy or if they want to go serious, right? So they tried to do both things, which didn't work for them.
Yeah.
Which Batman-wise, they've explored the campy side on TV, but then when they went on the big screen, they went full dark. Na?
No, but I think big screen पे campy doesn't work because Batman and
yeah.
Robin is
No.
a huge example of it not working.
Campy can work for a movie like Guardians. There's a lot of humor. There's a lot of
but it's not campy though.
It's not campy,
It's
but
not
there's a
cringy.
lot of humor that is mainstream. Na? It's today's humor, but there is a lot of that in there.
Yeah, but if you put like I remember
And
Batman
He-Man tried doing that, but it didn't work for them.
Batman versus Superman when they try to do that, like putting Batman in a situation with Flash and trying to make it funny, it just comes off weird. And even in the animated
Zack
series,
Snyder trying to do humor,
yeah, that's true. That's true.
which
But even in the animated series, I remember all the Batman humor is like very like, I'm rich, that's why we can do this. You know,
yeah.
That's the type of
Yeah,
humor that flies. Like it's weird for me to see an Adam West Batman and be like, we actually thought this was gonna work and this was gonna be the Batman.
Adam West Batman?
Yeah.
What about it?
Like it's campy, right? Like it's
Yeah,
like
but
it can never work
that's
today.
because no, of course, but it was made
in
as a
different
TV
times,
show,
yeah.
nah.
Yeah,
It
but
was supposed to be like episodes were supposed to keep coming back. The bad guys are not supposed to actually die because they have to come back in other episodes, right? So the same thing with the He-Man cartoon
I think
also. You can't ever completely kill off Skeletor. He has to keep coming back in other episodes.
With Batman, I think things changed in the 90s with the Batman animated series, which is like just
See, I've never watched that.
Oh
Uru
my
just told me a
God.
lot
You should
about
watch-
that show.
You should watch it. Has Uru seen it?
I would imagine so.
Oh my
She's
God.
the one who keeps telling me about
Watch
the
it with
Batman cartoon show of the 90s.
Watch it with Mikhail. You guys will be upset. It's so beautifully made. Actually, the artwork on it, it's the best because
Yeah.
usually when you're making cartoons, it's like a white background and a skipper you're drawing. But all the artwork and everything that's made for the Batman animated series is on a black background.
I
And then a skipper they draw it. So there's
Hmm.
red and very dark and noir and beautiful. The storytelling is so nice. And then the Superman bhi aa jata hai, and like it's dark and gritty and it feels like the prequels to the Batman movies from the Nolan.
Did you ever watch the Watchmen TV show?
That's a blind spot. I've never seen anyone. I haven't even seen the Zack Snyder movie.
That's okay. That's okay. The good thing about that TV show is I think, if I remember correctly, it is standalone and it is
Is it
so good. HBO का है मेरे ख्याल से.
No, is it animated?
No. It's a live action TV show and it's a single series, one season only. That's what's great about it.
TV miniseries.
Yes, I would highly recommend it.
Okay. But coming back to the Nolan of it all, because of the press stuff that I was following, and I'm pretty sure you've seen this. I haven't checked with you.
जो इंडिया भी जाके चाय पी रहे हैं
क्या हो
वहाँ
रहा
पे
है?
क्या हो रहा है?
Christopher
क्या मतलब
Nolan,
क्या हो रहा है? They're appealing to the
Matt
masses.
Damon.
पैसा.
पहली बात, let me tell you
पैसा.
what happened to me.
जहाँ पे सबसे बड़ी ऑडियंस है वहाँ पे जाके वो प्रमोट कर रहे हैं.
What happened to me a couple of weeks ago is I fell for an AI version of Tom Holland and John Bernthal saying, please watch the new Spider-Man movie. Karachi, Pakistan, he said it 3 times. I shared it. I was like, what is happening? Turned out it was AI. And then this
really?
video, apparently.
Because sometimes they do make these
They do
types
that,
of videos. Na? They just stand in front of the thing and they call out to every country. Hey,
Yeah, they do that.
Myanmar, we're coming to your city. We're coming to your
Myanmar.
country.
Wow. Shout out
Hey,
Myanmar.
Burma, we're coming to your country. Hey, Balochistan. Sorry, that's the province. Hey, Burkina Faso, we're coming to your country. And then they just keep rolling out all of these country names, and then all these reels are posted.
So that's
and
what I thought
they
happened.
become viral in each
But-
country.
I was told by not one, by 3 people that this is AI, it's not real. So I got, chalo, theek hai, fair enough. And then I saw a video that I saw a video of Christopher Nolan, Tom Holland, Matt Damon walking into the Olympia Chai Cafe in Mumbai, sitting down and having chai.
Yes.
And I'm like, this is AI. This is not real.
Yes.
And then I saw it again and again and again and again.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Christopher Nolan is probably the most is one of the most well-known directors in the world right now. ठीक है? And him being in India really legitimizes the whole India is a huge market thing. Like we hear about it all the time. People are always promoting their Coldplay concerts kar raha hai. But having someone with the stamp of approval like Nolan and Matt Damon and Tom Holland being like, we're going to be here. And it's not because it's Ambani Shadi. We're here to promote because we actually value this audience. I think that says a lot about how far India has gone in terms of reach and global stature. Pakistan can stop wars. Technically, not really. But in the culture war, I think India's way high.
because they're just bigger. It's as
That-
simple as that.
it's
It's the
not
same thing like China. अभी China भी
I
जाएंगे.
think
अगर
that
China
argument
नहीं गए तो फिर China भी ये
जाना
जाएंगे.
पड़ेगा. But I think that argument कि oh they're just bigger is a very bad argument.
Why?
I'll tell
If
you.
पाकिस्तान में हमारे पास अभी कितने मिलियन है? We are 250 or 300 million. ठीक है?
300 लगा लें.
If we
That's
become
that's
if we
a lot
become
of people
all,
anyways.
if we become 6 times our own size in population,
No,
then
no,
all
no.
of a sudden
But it's
everybody
not
will
only
start
that.
coming
It's
to
not
us
only
also.
it's not. I disagree with that because I think ठीक है, the 1.5 Arab thing, 1.5 million thing is it's definitely an asset, but it's also how in the past 20 to 30 to 40 years the Indian government and the Indian establishment has lifted up a lot of these people from poverty to middle classness. And middle class होने की वजह से आपके पास buying power बढ़ गई.
हाँ, वो
Why? The simple thing is, why is the CT the dollar per 1,000 views? What is it called? CPM. Why is the CPM in India higher than it is in Pakistan? Because we don't
there's
have
more ad
we don't
dollar,
have, we don't have a
ad
middle
money
class
being,
anymore.
because there's
The-
more ad money being spent in India.
Because there's more people that can buy stuff in India.
Yes.
And it's not only because they're 1.5 billion. It's also because
But
they've
that-
just lifted a lot of people from poverty to middle class.
Yes, both those things.
We
I
can
agree.
do that at the same time with 250 million.
There is the aspect of the huge population that they have, but they have uplifted a lot of people into the middle class. The middle class has thrived over there, 100%, sure.
And मेरा point ये है कि 250 million या 300 million बंदा कम नहीं होता.
नहीं.
That's a lot of people.
Yes.
And if you have that middle class power, the strength कि आप खरीद सकते हो चीजें, like UAE में तो बंदा ही नहीं है ना. UAE में कितना बंदा है? 20 million, 30 million बंदा है. Everybody goes there to promote stuff. Why? Because जो 30 million बंदा है ना, that has everybody
They
has
have
dollars.
purchasing power.
Everybody can buy some
Yes.
stuff and advertising. Why do they go there? To sell products. Why don't they come to Pakistan? Is because Pakistan mein, the middle class does not exist anymore. It's either elite, which is like 1% of Pakistan's population, or the 98% which is poor. तो किसको बेचेंगे, क्या बेचेंगे? You know, like पूरे कराची से शहर में there's like 5 multiplexes, 6 multiplexes.
But इसमें I think there is still what's it called? नहीं, I disagree.
Okay.
There is a great
Tell
amount
me.
of purchasing power in Pakistan also because आप किसी की भी शादी पे चले जाओ, आप देखो कहाँ पे पैसा खर्च नहीं कर रहे.
तो हमने
बताओ ना.
Okay, listen.
शादियों पे खर्च करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है? वहां पे अगर आपके जितने भी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं वहां पे they are priced quite a bit higher. So people are going to those restaurants, and those restaurants quantities are increasing slowly. The speed at which this growth is happening in Pakistan is much slower compared to India, sure.
I would even
But
argue
it's still happening in our own capacity in whatever way. But provided, I definitely agree, our middle class is not grown. It's actually shrunk.
Yeah.
100%. And there has been more money and wealth and influence that's gone to the 1%. 100% all of that also. But let's not discount there is some purchasing power, because that purchasing power is just not spent on things like going out to the movies. They're not spent on doing वो हमारे लोग अपने मतलब की चीजों पे फुल खर्चा करते हैं. जैसे कि केस इन पॉइंट इज शादियां, ठीक है?
शादी, I agree with you. But
लोग
शादी,
अपने जोड़ों पे डेफिनेटली खर्च करते
शादी
हैं.
is a
हर लिहाज से उस पे जो है ना वहां पे खर्चा होता है. एंड देन पीपल आर वंडरिंग कि whenever there's these big food festivals and things like that, people come out and splurge money on those types of on eating out.
Yeah, but like Karachi Eat, for example, is
Yes.
a festival that happens once a year. Is there a
I don't know if it still happens once a year.
I think it's a once a year
but
thing, no?
there's now, that's just one brand is my point.
I agree.
There's a lot more now
मैं यही
that
कहने वाला
have
था कि
started
4
over
या
there.
5 या 6 इस टाइप के festivals होते हैं on a yearly basis around Karachi.
Sure.
I'll take Karachi as a demographic
Sure.
because it's the richest city, blah blah blah, biggest city, blah blah. ठीक है, Lahore could also be a comp. But the problem is, middle class families, या lower middle class families are not going to multiplexes and cineplexes and newplexes and all those plexes.
Yes, because they've been priced
watch
out.
1000
They've
रुपए
been
का
priced
ticket है.
out.
1000
Yes,
रुपए का
yes,
ticket है.
yes.
That's being priced out.
Yes. No, क्या? It's not just 1000 रुपए का ticket ना. It's the popcorn, it's the drink, it's the entire experience becomes फिर 5000 का experience, you know?
But from the movie,
I don't know.
from the movies
my
perspective,
numbers are out, by the way, right now.
नहीं,
I don't
1000
know
का
what
is
the
right.
actual
In 2023
numbers are
when I
right
went-
now.
in 23 I went to
Because
watch
in the past
Oppenheimer.
2 years, there's been crazy inflation also, na? So
सकता है
everything
1500,
that
yeah.
is in our minds is completely off.
Yeah.
So
Let me check.
but like
ticket prices.
the same, let's say, okay, people prefer कि यार, rather than me spending this much amount of money to go and watch a movie experience in Pakistan, I would rather save that money and go to a good dining experience and then still go home and watch that same movie on streaming for free.
Nuplex just increased the ticket price from 1,000 to 1,200.
ठीक है.
That's what I said.
That's
अभी एक महीना
just
पहले
for
की.
the people who can afford it. No, it's not for the masses. That's the
So,
thing.
I was
Cinema
just-
is supposed to be for the masses.
But what I'm trying to say is, it's not for the masses because the average college educated person, and this is again a very, very, I'm already going to the privileged side of Pakistan's population, is making 60, 70, 80,000 rupees a month.
Hmm.
Right? I remember I took, right after I got married, me and Simran went for breakfast in the morning to one of these cafes in Defense. And वहाँ पे हमारे बिल 8,000, 8,500 रुपए का बिल आया था.
Hmm.
I got a sandwich, Simran got like a pasta thing, and we got Pepsi, done.
Hmm.
8,000 रुपए का bill.
Hmm.
And I'm thinking, and I'm like, if I had lived here,
Hmm.
and I was working what I'm working in Canada with like a marketing job, like a upper middle management job, I'd probably make maximum 100,000. Like looking at what my friends are making in that role, 1,00,000 रुपए बना रहा हूँ मैं, और मैं एक खाने पे 8,000 रुपए खर्च कर दूंगा. That's 8% of my monthly income
Hmm.
gone in one lunch.
Hmm.
I would probably not do that. I'd probably take Simran to somewhere a lot cheaper than that. Correct? And then
Sure,
so
on a day-to-day basis.
On a day-to-day
this
basis.
8,000
now-
would be a special occasion probably
Exactly.
if you are living in that 1 lakh
and
rupee.
for us it wasn't. It wasn't
Ah.
a special. It was like,
Ah.
yeah, let's just grab like, this
Yeah.
cafes, like whatever
No,
sandwich.
but then 1 lakh is not your pay.
But that's what I'm like looking around.
Should not. It
anecdotally
won't be
looking
your
around.
pay. Na? You'll probably be the way that the lifestyle that you want to maintain. You'll probably be going after the jobs that are these days paying probably 2 lakhs.
But like वहाँ पे available नहीं ना. Like my friends who want to have a
Maybe
similar
or
lifestyle.
maybe, yes, sure.
नहीं, मेरा cousin, I remember when he graduated from NED, his first job at PDCL was 55,000 rupees.
Again,
This is 2019, 18.
we're getting into things that we cannot really compare right
My
now.
whole
na?
point is कि
आप जनरल बात
अगर
करो.
अगर वो मेरा cousin 2018 में जो graduate हो रहा है,
ठीक है.
ठीक है, अगर उसकी comparable job होती,
Hmm.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडिया से, या क्योंकि इंडिया ने अपनी मिडिल क्लास को इतना ऊपर किया हुआ है, वहाँ पे टेक आया है, टेक कंपनीज आई हैं बाहर से, लोग अपने कंपनीज आउटसोर्स करते हैं इंडियन मैनुअल लेबर की
But
वजह
it's
से.
still the power of the masses. Na? There is a big, that big population is contributing towards all of this stuff going on. Na? Because let's say, for instance,
I don't know,
वहाँ पे
man.
अगर mobile phones introduce कर रहे हैं, अब mobile phones are become so cheap. Everybody has a mobile phone, right? If everybody has a mobile phone, that means, you're looking at maybe, let's say, if it's not a billion, if it's half the population, even 500 million के पास phones वहाँ पे आ गए हैं, for instance. तो 500 million के पास जब phones आ गए हैं, तो then there is usage according to that. There is an economy according to that. That is all being taxed also. Then there is that effect of money being collected. So that volume पे जब आप काम कर रहे हैं ना, तो then there is more businesses being also set up. Now, if I want to go and make a mobile phone company in India, I have a bigger market access than if I was to do that same thing in Pakistan. So you're going to have more players automatically.
I agree
You're
with
going to
you.
have the players in Pakistan also, Q Mobile, Shobile, ये सारी चीजें वहाँ पे
Yeah.
launch होंगी, लेकिन
Oppo,
it won't be
Shoppo.
in that same volume.
But here's my counter argument to that. Bangladesh. Split from Pakistan.
Again,
Right?
उसमें
They have the text. Their middle class is stronger than Pakistan's middle
yes,
class.
now they are. Why? Because they have genuinely worked towards building that.
Yeah.
We
didn't.
don't do that. Yes.
And my whole argument is, if we did in the past 30, 40 years, instead of like cooing
if we did.
and cutting
if
our
we,
legs and all that.
hypothetics में घुसना
No,
तो
no,
फिर
no,
तो we should have been doing all of these things since our
47.
inception.
I totally agree. But we didn't. And that's
Huh.
why, like, when I sit here as a Pakistani Canadian, and I'm like, yaar, Nolan India ja raha hai. Like, he's my guy. He's like the epitome of class and filmmaking, and probably like, probably the
हमारे
best.
पास क्यों नहीं आ रहा?
हमारे पास I remember I had this
बांग्लादेश
thing-
गया है?
नहीं, बांग्लादेश नहीं.
बांग्लादेश क्यों नहीं गया?
अगर हम लोग साथ होते तो on volume आता हमारे पास. But
जिस दिन बांग्लादेश जाएगा ना, then you tell me
No,
यार
but
पाकिस्तान क्यों नहीं
I'm
आया?
just thinking, right? Like,
बांग्लादेश की क्या है population अभी, by the way?
ऐसे ही है, 180, 200 million ही है यार.
Is it less than ours?
Yeah, it is less than ours. But by not much.
ठीक है.
Mumbai is an hour and 10 minutes away from Karachi.
Yeah, don't compare.
ठीक है,
यार.
I have to. I am forced
How?
to.
How?
Because I remember 2018-19 में जब Coldplay गया था, I had these similar feelings. I'm like, this is probably the epitome of pop music, epitome of rock band right now in this world, in the modern zamana. And it is being completely ignored by Pakistan, and it is completely being accepted by India. Right? And then
I'll give
this
you
is just another example of how far the Pakistanis have fallen.
When Coldplay goes to India, they know where they're gonna go and stay in terms of a 5-star experience. That same 5-star experience we cannot deliver
I
in
100%
Pakistan.
agree. We don't even have a 5-star
that
hotel.
same security level, that same 5-star experience, that same and वही वाली चीज है कि these are goras coming into India where there is going to be actual जब पार्टी होगी तो पार्टी होगी.
Hmm.
There will be alcohol openly being served, unlike पाकिस्तान में जहाँ पे छुपा छुपा सब कुछ चल रहा होगा, लेकिन हो रहा होगा और नहीं भी हो रहा होगा, लेकिन कभी भी पुलिस का भी छापा अलग से और कभी भी
इन लोगों के लिए नहीं लगता यार.
It's just Pakistan is just a unique place altogether, जहाँ पे Coldplay जैसा बैंड अगर आएगा भी ना, it's so unpredictable. जहाँ पे it's वो इंडिया में if these types of artists are going, there's a level of predictableness.
Yeah, they know what they're gonna get.
They know what they're gonna get, or at least they proposed a certain predictable plan. ठीक है. पाकिस्तान में जाओगे आपको कोई कल का अगले मोमेंट का नहीं पता कि यार एयरपोर्ट में कौन किस तरह का क्या सिस्टम होगा. ठीक है. वहां पे FIA आई हुई है, पुलिस आई हुई है, उनको वहां से लेकर जा रही है, कौन से बस में बैठ के वो कौन से PC होटल में जाके.
Even someone like Kumail who told us on the podcast and then after the podcast was like, bro, I want to go to Karachi.
मैं आपके साथ एक bingo game खेलूंगा.
How many times I can
How many
mention
times you mentioned certain Coldplay, John Mayer, Kumail,
Christopher Nolan.
Every podcast, how many times can we mention
Our
Nazar's favorite people?
For backward point, our Indian friends get really annoyed when you keep mentioning 2017 when Pakistan India को final में मारा था. I think we mentioned it every single podcast. We've done 300. We've probably mentioned it every single podcast.
And backward point also mentioned in the
That's true. That's true. But he was like, I'm scared for my life. Because मुझे नहीं पता as a Shia minority, whatever is going to happen to me. I'm like,
कौन Kumail?
Yeah, he said that to me on record. He's like, I don't know, like this is why I haven't gone back in 20 years.
Okay.
I'm like, okay.
Okay.
But like now that he's a famous person, I don't know if that.
I didn't even know that he was Shia. I didn't even know that he was Shia.
Kumail bhai, chalo.
Not that it matters.
Not that it matters. But like, I was like, Kumail bhai,
I think
chalo.
he's put it in his brain that I'm a Shia Pakistani.
I remember when my nani
well.
was in Canada and we were in Karachi and she would open like Metro. Remember Metro News in Karachi? Karachi की खबरें आती थी. And they'd be like, नीचे टिकट चल रहा है और 2 बंदे मार दिए थे गुलस्तान.
Yes.
She would immediately call my mom like लड़के कहाँ अच्छे कहाँ. And we were like playing cricket outside and nothing happened. But it was like that thing of that, you know,
हाँ वो होता है
कि जो बंदा न्यूज़ से ज़्यादा connected है, जो बाहर on ground reality में नहीं है, he's just more hyper vigilant of everything.
तो 90% of Pakistani diaspora is like that ना, जो सारे
I would say
बाहर रहते हैं, लेकिन
100%.
हाँ
My dad knows more about
जिनके घरों में जियो न्यूज और ARY न्यूज सारा वक्त चल रहा होता है, वो सारा वक्त फिर इसी तरह कनेक्टेड. हाँ भाई क्या सीन है, अभी सुना ये हो गया है, हालात ठीक है कि नहीं.
I just think like looking at Matt Damon, I'm looking at the picture right now. Matt Damon, Christopher Nolan, Tom Holland, just having chai and paratha and like
and
biscuits.
you are jealous.
I'm not jealous. It feels nice.
You
because
want them to come to Pakistan.
I want them to come to Karachi. But at the same time, this is a nice part of like our mutual heritage of that region of just South Asia. It's not divided by boundaries. You know, like you like chai as an Indian, I like chai as a Pakistani. This is something that's common. And we can celebrate it.
How many cinemas do we have in Pakistan?
I just told you we have like 5 multiplexes in Karachi.
Total cinemas, how many do we have?
I can check that for you.
But the point is, it's in the hundreds.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe in the dozens.
Okay. No, it's in the hundreds. Okay. How many cinemas does India have?
How many cinemas in Pakistan?
And I'm not talking about multiplexes. I'm talking about single screens also.
135 to 150.
There you go.
Active cinemas screen.
So it's in the hundreds. Okay.
With many single screen theaters closing down.
Say yeah. Point here, it's in the hundreds, right? Even if it was 200, let's say for example. Check India, how many cinemas do they have? Not just multiplexes, but total cinemas. Single screen also matters.
10,033.
There. That's I don't need to discuss this topic anymore.
Yeah.
जहां एक तरफ 10,000 है और जहां पे 200 के से भी कम है. That's the point. Coldplay का आप example ले रहे हो ना. How many musical venues do we have compared to India? Just look at the venues, ठीक है? Venues के numbers आप compare करोगे, that will show you the economy that it has developed, ठीक है? Ours is again a teeny tiny economy, and there's a huge economy जहाँ पे they know कि if they go and do one show even, the entire country is going to talk about it. The same thing will happen with us. क्या Brian Adams एक बार आया था, अभी तक लोग बात करते हैं, अभी तक लोग बात करते हैं. Brian Adams पाकिस्तान आया था.
I know people who went to that show and they're just like, मैं Brian Adams कराची में गया. Shahzad Roy was there too, apparently.
Exactly.
I saw Brian Adams in Oshawa and great concert by the way. Were you at that show in 2005? Were you in Pakistan in 2005?
No and no.
No and no. Okay. But I remember people, because I had just come to Pakistan right after that show.
हाँ.
Like a few weeks after that, we had just landed, and our cousins and banners like the Millennium Mall ke samne.
I'm not
Bryan
even a
Adams.
Bryan Adams fan.
I love
Yet
Bryan Adams.
everybody in Pakistan used to always talk about Bryan Adams. Bryan
Remember
Adams.
जब वो कौन सा था EDM boy जो हर 2 महीने पे आ जाता था?
हाँ, एडवर्ड माया.
एडवर्ड माया आ रहा है, हर शादी में एडवर्ड माया है, हर शो में एडवर्ड माया है. और एक और भी डिप्लो भी आया था एक दफा.
डिप्लो भी आया था. Yes, I went to the Diplo show Islamabad.
Was it good?
Yes. It was good.
कितना बंदा था?
बंदा बहुत था.
कितना
It
होगा?
was packed. I don't know, in the several hundreds.
That's not a lot.
5-6. अब हमारे मुताबिक तो it was big ना.
I think
You're not going to get 10,000 people over there for Diplo in Pakistan, but you'll get that in India.
Yes, you will for Diplo. That's very true. I was just thinking, many years ago, 2007, I used to write for. Actually, I used to write for Mango Bars as well, by the way. But I used to write for.
Yes, you're a contributor.
I was a contributor. I think this might have been Mango Bars. I wrote an article about what it would look like if Coldplay came to Karachi. It had just gone to Mumbai. This is 10 years ago.
Is that article? Check if that article is there actual mein or not.
Yeah, hoga. Coldplay.
Should we do a live read? I think we should do a live read right now.
No, we should not. Coldplay comes to Karachi.
I want to see a live read right now.
I don't know if this is. I can't find it right now.
Have you found it?
No, I don't know if it's Mango Bars or it was one of those other ones.
You want me to find it? You just have to type Nazar Coldplay.
Nazar. I don't know if they put my name either even.
Of course. नाम क्यों नहीं रखेंगे?
यार ये I recently saw it like in a few years ago somewhere, but it might have just gone away.
यार दाल में कुछ काला है. Nazar is just not wanting to.
No,
find it
I don't mind. I don't mind reading it.
So, anyways.
Oh my god, my old articles are popping up. I wrote an article on Muru called "Coolest Mass Marketed." क्या था? कहाँ चला गया?
The titles are always the
coolest mass
part.
marketed quality has to be found. I wrote this about Muru. May 15, 2017. I wrote this on the Express Tribune.
क्या बात है? I wrote an article for Mango Bars once also.
What was it called?
Because शुरू में it was like mandatory, सबको जो है contribute करना चाहिए, सबको articles भी लिखने चाहिए. So I was like, okay, fine. Weekly KPI बन गया था कि यार सबको करना है. Even the video, even if you're working on the video side, you have to contribute an article. So check out, just write Mango Bars Yasir cricketers के ऊपर मैंने कुछ किया था. I don't. It was some funny, weird article I wrote about.
All-time top 12 shirtless Pakistani cricket team.
Shirtless. I made a listicle on shirtless pictures of all Pakistani players.
And this is.
See the article. Is it in there? Are the pictures still alive? I don't know.
Yaar, ye.
I put all the Pakistani cricketers' shirtless pictures. In an article.
It's not popping up for me right now, but this is insane. Like, I would urge everybody to check this out.
I don't even know if the article still is active.
It's called Man Crush Monday. I see it now.
There you go.
Man Crush Monday.
Yeah.
These boys are not only skilled with their hands, they possess the required physical attributes to feature in a calendar shoot. Yeah, he's smart ho gaya ekdam se. Ye jo na ye khawateen wali.
I made cricket porn.
You did. You did. The fact that Shoaib Akhtar is number 11 on that list is very, very tough for me. They should have started with Shoaib Akhtar.
क्या मतलब?
Shoaib Akhtar is the
batting order के मुताबिक मैं गया होऊंगा, I'm sure.
Actually, you might be right. Hafiz, Nasir Jamshed,
by my logic, I must have gone through a batting order. Na?
Yes, you are absolutely
right. को openers में ही रखा है and bowlers को आखिर में डाला है.
There's no pictures in it though. I think they've unembedded them.
Yes.
What a
sad.
Yeah, but you can search it up yourself.
It's a visual article. Otherwise, there's no point.
Yeah, there's no point. But wow,
how did we get here? What were you talking
Christopher
about?
Nolan being in India.
Nolan.
We got to Shoaib Malik being.
So, anyways, हमारे पास 200 सिनेमा भी नहीं है यार. ये आप कोई भी पाकिस्तानी फिल्म मेकर के साथ इस तरह का पॉडकास्ट करना चाहो ना, वो यही बातें कर रहे होंगे.
I was actually
हमारे पास 200 सिनेमा भी नहीं है यार. हमारे पास सिनेमा कल्चर की तरह, हमारे एक जमाने में कितनी जबरदस्त सिनेमा कल्चर होता था. फैमिलीज जो हैं निकलती थी और हमारे फिल्में देखते थे. और
it's giving Shan Shahid interview right.
सैयद नूर एंड हमारे मतलब कि इतने अमेजिंग टाइम्स होते थे.
Yes.
होते थे.
Yeah.
अब क्यों नहीं है? जमाना बदलता क्यों है? नजर भाई मुझे आप ये बताएं, चीजें बदलती क्यों हैं?
Hmm.
चीजों को बदलना नहीं चाहिए, हमें वहीं के वहीं
Wow.
अटके रहना
Mehmet,
चाहिए।
welcome to the Ahmed Ali Butt podcast.
क्यों ऐसा है? Why is change inevitable?
Genuine question. How do we make the masses more, like, how do we change that culture of like actually going to the theaters?
We do not change the culture. We contribute to the culture and hope that change occurs. How do we contribute to the culture? Filmmakers just need to keep making stuff. That's it.
It's so expensive to make anything in Pakistan.
You just made a counter argument, right? So that's where things then slow down. As soon as you start making counter arguments,
But they exist. Kya matlab?
Of course, that's what I'm saying. They do exist, right? These factors exist. Making
again,
anything is a commitment of time, is a commitment of effort, is a commitment of money. Anything.
I was
You
listening
want to
to-
get into a food business, you have to make time, money, and effort into making your restaurant, right? After you launch it, then you need to sustain that, and you hope that it becomes successful. The reason why our food industry is doing crazy good is because people love food in Pakistan, and they're willing to splurge on food.
But they're
and
not-
when they splurge on food, that economy drives itself, and then people open up more restaurants.
But with food, you're not priced out. You can have a 300 rupees ka bun kebab, which is going to be amazing. And you can also have a 8,000 rupees ka lunch like I did. Just a
Lekin
spectrum.
that variety comes over time. Na? It wasn't just implemented from the get-go. Yes, there are people who are catering to the with a simple menu, the simple food items, and then there's the fancy food items and the fancy menus also. That spectrum exists. So that same spectrum should exist in entertainment also. It does to a certain level. People go and watch क्या theater plays वहाँ पे देखते हैं, dance shows देखते हैं,
वो भी
ठीक है,
theater plays भी कम हो गए
जाके
हैं.
कुश्ती देखते हैं.
Like I remember I used to
जाके
be obsessed with the Umar Sharif shows, you know, those
Stage shows.
Bakra Kisto Pe type shows. I used to
Stage
watch them.
drama
I still
shows.
watch them on YouTube. Like
हाँ.
there's this one bit I cannot get over.
I don't know if they still are active or
I don't
not,
know
or
either.
what level they must be active, but in what level they are, I don't know.
But again, that was a lot of like middle class people being like, I'm going to go to the theater and watch Umar Sharif. I don't know if that's still a thing anymore. Where are the middle class
because
people going?
It's changed. Everything changes.
Just speaking of that thing, I remember there's this bit from this Umar Sharif show where he just goes off script, starts improvising. I think a lot of that show is already improvised. Those side shows with him. There's definitely beats you have to hit, but just shows within the show. And there's this one moment where the guy is like, "Yeah, मैं train से आया हूँ, मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ." And Umar Sharif just goes off for 3 minutes. कि तू थका क्यों? And he just keeps like belting him down कि तूने क्या ट्रेन बनाई है? तू थका क्यों? तू बैठ के आया है? तू 4 बाय में बैठ के आया है? तू थका क्यों? For 4 minutes or 3 minutes, he just goes off and like everybody's sensing that this is not on script. And everybody starts laughing on the stage. The crowd is going crazy. That sort of comedy / cinema / theater experience does not exist anymore in Pakistan. I was listening to Tabish Hashmi talking about how...
Then there's other things that exist. So that's the thing. Now it gets changed.
What has come
You just said Tabish Hashmi. This is the new crop of...
He was talking about how there is no...
But that's the new crop of people who then... If they say there is no... Then those are the people who have to then do something about
like
it. Like
stand-up comedy jo hai, abhi, according to all these comics, is such a new art form. जहाँ पे India में पहले से ही establish हुई है पिछले 10-15-20 साल से. When the Indian Laughter Challenge happened in the mid-2000s, जहाँ से पाकिस्तानी ही जाते थे to like win those competitions. Like that's how evolved our comedy was in that time, where a lot of these people would look up to Amanullah and Umar Sharif and Moin Akhtar and all these guys. And
then
like,
politics got in the way.
But like in 2005, they were like, this is mass market.
Sure.
And for us, it was like, we have to watch bootleg Bakra Kisto Pe to enjoy Umar Sharif comedy. They kept at it and they got Kapil Sharma. We kept at it and we had to import back Tabish Hashmi from Canada ke bhai bacha le comedy. And Tabish is in a position where he's like, I can do one show in Karachi for 300 people, but I cannot do that same show twice because audience 300 se 500 ki hi hai. Right? And if I do
Again, you've answered my entire point, which is the market size is so small.
How do we keep making people come to the shows?
Just keep doing जो ये अभी जो चल रहा है, if it keeps going on and on and on, it will grow. It will grow.
Anecdotally
but
again.
It just takes time. Na?
My cousins.
We can't compare. Again, comparing to another country means कि हमारी speed वो क्यों नहीं है जो उनकी speed है. Speed तो आप नहीं control कर सकते ना.
We broke up at the same time.
Doesn't matter. Everybody has
Bangladesh
a
broke up after us.
It's the same
From
thing
us.
कि यार एक माँ बाप के 2 बच्चे हैं, ये दोनों फर्क क्यों है? एक की अपनी तरबियत है, एक का अपना नेचर है, एक का अपना एक हैबिट है, दूसरे के अपनी सारी चीजें हैं. Even if they're brought up in the same household, they still will be different, right? So अगर एक इंडिया को पार्टीशन करके 2 मुल्क बन गए और उसके बाद में उसको वो भी 3 मुल्क बन गए, तो हर एक की अपनी है ना, हर एक की अपना स्पीड है. अगर बांग्लादेश पहले स्लो था, अब उसने स्पीड पकड़ लिया और हम स्लो डाउन ही हो ही जा रहे हैं since the 60s and 70s, then that's us. That's what we are up to.
Because we were like fast.
Our priorities are not the same as the other countries. Our priorities might have been, see, I used to question a lot about, yaar, why do we spend so much money on, now we're going to get into a little bit of politics, but why do we spend so much money on defense? Who are we defending? Our people who are, compared to all these, I used to do the same thing, compared to all these other countries, why are we so poor? Why are we spending on our arms and our... अब समझ में आता है कि यार, because we are in such a geographically such a sensitive location in terms of as a country what we are, we have threats. We genuinely have threats everywhere. We do. So when this nuclear bomb, we've gotten a nuclear bomb, it has kept us
relatively
safe-ish so far. And that might be the only reason. Otherwise, you see what's going on in the Middle East and you're like, yaar, ठीक है, I guess deterrent तो है. Like अगर सऊदी हमारे साथ आके पूछ रहा है कि यार, if God forbid, if we need actual nuclear defense, we need Pakistan now. And Pakistanis are like, फखर से कहते हैं, we will defend you. We will defend our house of Makkah.
लेकिन नोलन नहीं आ रहा. हाँ? लेकिन नोलन नहीं आ रहा.
नोलन क्यों आएगा यार? नोलन ने जाने अपनी फिल्म बेचनी है to the masses.
I just think
the whole point is to go to the biggest markets if they are to leave America, जो कि अगर वो देख रहे हैं कि उनकी सिनेमा कल्चर खुद जो है यहाँ पे डाउन हो रहा है.
It's very exportable, American cinema, by the way.
Yes, it's the
very
most
exportable.
They've set the global standard, yaar.
Yes,
as
I agree.
Hollywood has set the global standard. Every other now name is named out of Hollywood. We have Lollywood. Nigeria जाए तो Nollywood. Tamil जाए तो Tollywood.
Bollywood.
Bollywood जाए तो Bollywood.
Yeah.
So they've exported their cinema culture since the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, on and on and on and on.
I just think that there used to be a time, I'm going into like...
एक ज़माना होता था बेटा.
जब हम लोग... Like, our stories, we used to be storytellers. Like,
yes.
The Mughals did
we
one thing.
We still are.
No, I think
yes, the medium has changed.
I disagree. Because I think...
No, I disagree.
I think on the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, where like our basic needs पूरी नहीं होती हैं.
नहीं, हम
इतने आगे जाएं कि अपनी stories बनाते हैं.
हम memes बनाते हैं.
Memes is the lowest, cheapest form of art.
It's still a form of art.
The cheapest,
which
lowest.
We are excelling in, which nobody can deny that we excel in meme making. Out of that meme making, आपको क्या लगता है, जितने भी अभी बच्चे हैं जो ये कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने भी तो eventually यही सोचना ना कि यार, I need to come out of this meme making. What am I going to do next? I see a lot of these young creators right now on Instagram and TikTok, and they're doing really interesting, funny stuff. Some very, very good storytelling I see. And when I see that, I'm like,
Sanan,
all
amazing.
of them, everybody. There is hundreds of people now. You compare to before, there were maybe 10 creators, 20 creators. That 10, 20 creators has had a trickle effect to creating hundreds of thousands of creators now in Pakistan. Those thousands will eventually have another trickle effect in the next generation, that there will be tens of thousands of people. And that's what's going to create that culture, is what you're talking about. Now, that culture starts with every person contributing something. What we're doing right now, this is contributing one little drop also.
I agree. But how do I get someone like my cousin who will rather sit home and watch Netflix than get his butt out and watch a comedy show?
Forget your cousin.
He's an example. He's an archetype.
If he's a lost cause, then forget about him.
He's not a lost cause. But like, he's like, I remember when I was like...
क्योंकि जिसने निकलना है ना, वो निकलेगा. If your cousin is not niclofying, then some other person will get up.
He's endemic of like the guys that are my age that are not going to anything. Like I'll tell you, meri shaadi pe, again, this is a very famous story which told many times on the podcast. Like meri shaadi.
Why are you telling it again?
But maybe people haven't heard it. On this audience has not heard it. But meri shaadi is in Karachi mein. The next morning was day 5 of Pakistan versus New Zealand test match. Okay, test match, second test, and Pakistan was 1 down. The night before. Bashar, मेरी शादी 3 बजे खत्म हुई, हम लोग घर आए, everything. 7 a.m. he was at National Stadium Karachi and 9 a.m. he was sitting watching the match.
Because that's his
He was
passion.
one of maybe 300 people there.
Because that's his
And
passion.
my same cousins
Yes.
who are there available
Yes.
did not go.
Because they don't care as much
It's
about
not that.
cricket.
हमारी
They
यहाँ-
might not care as much.
It's not about they care.
What do you
Everybody- who
want?
doesn't care about cricket? In
Not
Pakistan.
as much though. You can't
नहीं
compare.
यार,
Na?
it's
There's a
the-
certain
it's
thing.
it's the attitude, it's the culture of getting out of your house and watching
that
shows,
too.
movies, sports, all that. Like I'm gonna go. I went 2 weeks before, booked my Odyssey tickets because I wanted me and Begum to have the greatest experience we can to watch the Odyssey. ठीक है? We once एक महीने में 3 या 4 दफा मैं और बेगम जाते हैं या मैं अकेले चले जाता हूँ मूवी देखने. That's a culture, that's a habit that we've created since I was a teenager
So
here.
you've created
That
it.
is
na?
not something that is available or is even prevalent in Pakistan.
It's not encouraged.
It's not encouraged. That's
Yes.
a very good way to put it.
Yes.
स्पोर्ट्स हो रही है कराची में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया आई हुई है, लोग नहीं जा रहे देखने के लिए.
Yes.
There's other reasons as well. We've mentioned it many times
Yes.
before.
It's a
Security.
trick-
This, but it
but
comes
all of
back
these
to the
things-
Maslow's hierarchy
But
of needs.
these are the things that have a
not being
trickle
met.
effect. Na? These are the things. What you just mentioned are the factors that have a trickle effect. अगर आपके वहाँ पे the access to the stadium is made difficult,
It
if
is.
the viewing experience is made difficult, if the actual like let's say the concession stands over there are nothing special,
They're nothing.
you can
Full
actually
stop.
get better food outside, then why should people do it?
ये कौन ठीक करेगा?
हाँ?
ये बंदा थोड़ी ठीक करेगा. ये तो मैनेजमेंट पे आ जाती है ना बात.
I don't have answers to that.
It goes back to what I was talking about. That
I put my hands up
that
now.
I agree that India population volume, I agree with all that, but there's also been a concerted effort to make sure that
Of course,
that
because again, we
population
will,
is also lifted. ताकि they have that buying power, that tech companies
but
can
that's
come.
been
blah, blah,
happening.
blah, blah.
These are the things that have been happening since the 80s over there, na?
Yeah.
And
हमारे क्या
it
चला था
again,
80s में?
it has been happening because there's a lot of commercial interest in it, right?
Hmm.
Who has the most commercial interest are big brands, right? Pakistan mein the only brand that has had a commercial interest in actually contributing or making something has been Coke Studio type of an integration. After that, I would say maybe some of these nicotine, wo kaun sa
Velo
Velo
Shilo.
type, ye is tarah ke brands do something. Yeah, the big telecom companies do these types of projects in terms of contributing towards the ecosystem. So India again has thousands of brands rather than in the mere hundreds that we have. Those thousands of brands have been working since the 80s, developing that cricket culture, developing that cricket going culture.
Yeah.
ठीक है, वहाँ पे again the masses are, because they have such a huge population, they are going and buying those tickets. अच्छा, masses इतने ज्यादा है ना कि they know कि यार स्टेडियम में हम यहाँ पे बनाएंगे ना, 1000 बंदा तो आराम से आएगा, चंद हजार लोग तो आराम से आ जाएंगे, वो यहाँ पे आके टिकट खरीद के बैठ जाएंगे, they'll watch the cricket, ठीक है?
Yeah.
And that's just been something that's been encouraged throughout. हमारा जैसे वो कोई अटैक होता है या लोकल कोई टेररिज्म होता है, because of that discourages. Why should people go? कोई पता नहीं है बम अटैक होगा या कुछ होगा या जिस
अब
तरह
तो
भी.
ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन अब कल्चर खत्म हो गया ना.
But the point is that the past 30-40 years का experience has developed this.
Yeah.
That's the point. अगर आपको मसला है ना इस current निजाम से, it's because that has developed over the past 20-30 years. अगर हमारे पास टेस्ट मैचेस क्या होते तो थे, अच्छे खासे होते थे in the 90s and 2000s, early 2000s तक सारा कुछ हो रहा था, and there was a lot of attendance. People used to go for those games. It was not necessarily the upper class that was going ever. Now it's all the upper class that goes and sits in the boxes and they like to make reels about their experience going to the matches. Before it was the masses that were going to the matches and they were watching. We used to watch only on TV. I was living in Lahore. I never went to any game, but I was watching test matches on TV. I was enjoying that.
Yeah. I just like it's a bit disappointing. I think about this and I get sad. I'm like, यार क्या क्रिकेट थी हमारे पास, वो भी अब बंदा देखने नहीं जा रहा. Like in a city like Karachi, like,
but that's
dead.
because you have too much expectations. ना आप
I do.
expectations अपने zero कर दो.
I
आप
go to
के
like,
जो है सो है. अब इसको ये ग्रो करेगा अपने वक्त के मुताबिक ग्रो करेगा जब लोग जो who do care about it will start to play their own little bit of contribution. Every person has to contribute, na?
I agree.
There has to be more than just a person who's going to come so-called koi messiah ya koi savior. None of that stuff works. If something like that does even happen, na, either it has a contributing effort towards creating more people like that, or there is so much power and authority given to that one person that once that person is even gone, then everything collapses.
Yeah.
Then what's the point?
There's no systems. Just like, it's upsetting, but I'm hoping that at least the Odyssey will be good. This is the positive that I'm taking from this. कि मेरे अभी तक जितने लोगों ने देखी है, they're like, this is one of the best things that have ever been made and blah blah blah. So I'm excited about that. Nolan आए ना आए, अब क्या करना?
नोलन
सनू की.
नहीं आएगा,
सनू
कभी
की.
नहीं आएगा जब तक कि हमारे
If you were
200
to
सिनेमा से ज्यादा हमारे पास सिनेमा ही नहीं है. क्यों कोई भी आए? नोलन
cinema,
को आप छोड़े. Who's कोई और फिल्म मेकर? Just name any Tom Dick. Nobody's gonna come to our country यार.
एंजेलिना आई थी.
यही बड़ी बात है कि फवाद नहीं, एंजेलिना भी
शूट करने आई
किसी
थी.
और मकसद से आई थी.
मूवी के लिए भी आई
Exactly.
थी.
हाँ.
मूवी के लिए भी आई थी.
शूट करने कौन सी मूवी भले?
चेंजलिंग नाम था मूवी का, गुलिस्तान जौहर में शूट हुई थी जी. इट वाज अबाउट अ माइटी हार्ट. 110% अ माइटी हार्ट गुलिस्तान जौहर में शूट हुई
माइटी
है.
हार्ट किसके बारे में था?
डैनियल पर्ल.
हाँ. Daniel Pearl, which is a true story that happened, whatever,
Yeah.
but it happened in Pakistan,
Yeah.
and he
But
got
she came.
killed in
But
Pakistan.
she came.
Was he a journalist?
He was a Jew
है ना?
journalist. Yes.
He was a journalist who was killed in Pakistan.
Yes.
And so then they decided, let's make a movie about this, guys, because people should know more about this story.
But they shot in
This
location.
narrative should be told about Pakistan.
They shot it in location in
So-
Karachi. She came.
So, is that something to be proud about?
No, it's not. Unfortunately, that's
It's
true.
nothing to be proud
और
about.
कौन है यार? I'm trying to think. In the 60s, the Beatles came.
In the 60s, Marlon Brando also came.
Really?
Yes.
Oh yeah, he did actually.
In transit through Karachi
Same-
airport.
same thing with the
yeah,
Beatles.
whichever airport.
Yeah,
My
Karachi
father
airport.
likes to tell me that he went and he
Did he
met
actually?
Marlon Brando. I don't know to what extent he went
Did
and
he
met
actually
him.
meet him?
That's what he likes to say.
Like he shook his hand and everything.
I don't know to what extent. Was it this or was it just,
I saw you.
hey, Marlon? Marlon?
So wait, Marlon Brando is in Karachi airport transiting towards somewhere else, and just people can just see him.
That's what I heard. But it's in those days, so you could just walk into the airport and probably drop the
Probably.
person into the jahaz.
Yeah,
Okay, guy,
60s.
have a safe flight in the jahaz. उनके लिए बेल्ट बकल बांध के फिर आप कहते हैं ओके अल्लाह हाफिज, क्योंकि उस वक्त ट्रस्ट था कि जो बंदा आके ड्रॉप भी कर रहा है और बेल्ट बकल बांध के निकल भी रहा है वो निकल रहा है.
Hmm.
अब तो ट्रस्ट नहीं है ना कि वो जहाज के अंदर ही कहीं जाके छुप जाएगा.
The
So
Beatles.
security level is different.
Beatles was also similar. They came. transiting.
Beatles, I didn't know that
Yeah.
they came to Pakistan. Are you sure?
Beatles in Karachi. Yeah, this is 100% true. Let me just double check. Beatles in Karachi.
I don't think so.
1964. The Beatles were in Karachi. The Beatles started their first ever world tour on June 4th, 1964, and they were on their way somewhere else.
From Karachi?
No,
They
not in
started it
Karachi.
in Karachi.
They're going
देखो
somewhere.
जरा Coldplay नहीं आया लेकिन Beatles आया पाकिस्तान.
That's true.
यार.
Exactly 50 years ago, in the early hours of June 8th, 1964, certain guests from England arrived at Pakistan
अब
airport.
सोचो ना if they actually did perform a song in Karachi. I wanna hold your hand. Ban करो इनको. हाथ किस तरह पकड़ लिया?
Whoever wrote this, by the way,
हराम.
is super duper wordy.
Not that we had haram police in the 60s. We got haram police in the 80s.
80s. Thank you, Jalak. for
So
that.
we probably would have been able to hold each other's hand if the Beatles had performed in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Everybody would be holding hands, I imagine.
I totally agree. I think this is a good place to end it. Why Christopher Nolan wouldn't come to Pakistan and why everybody else will always go to India. This is again, we had no
And
podcast today,
why
but we made a podcast out of a
And why
podcast.
it makes Nazar jealous all the time.
I'm just not jealous.
Smelling again.
Just
over
would
here.
like
this podcast is just
somebody
like,
to come to Karachi.
So sinful.
Allah. Chale yaar. I think this is a good way to end it. You're out to downtown today. Hope
Thank
you have
you
a
very
good day.
much.
Have a
Thank
good day
you
with the
so
fam.
much.
And then we'll see you guys next week, inshallah. Bye.
Allah Hafiz. Take care. Take care, everybody.